Hey there! Welcome back to the PC Pal, your go-to guide for making tech easy. Today, we're learning how to create and mount ISO files in Windows 11. Whether you're backing up your files, installing software, or creating bootable media, ISO files are super useful. Let's dive right in. What is an ISO file? An ISO file is basically a digital copy of a CD, DVD, or folder. Think of it as a virtual disk, same contents, just stored in a single file. You can use them for backups, software installs, or even virtual machines. How to mount an ISO file? Windows 11 makes mounting ISO files super easy. No extra software needed. Right-click the ISO file. Click Mount. Once mounted, the ISO will act like a DVD drive. You can open it, run installers, or copy files from it. How to create an ISO file. To create your own ISO file, you will need a free tool. I recommend ImgBurn or AnyBurn, or if you prefer open source, try CDburner XP. I will show step-by-step using ImgBurn. Open ImgBurn. Choose Create Image File from Files/Folders. Select the folder you want to turn into an ISO. Set output file name and location. Click Create Now. And that's how you create and mount ISO files in Windows 11 easy, right? If you found this helpful, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more no-nonsense tech tips from the PC Pal. Stay sharp, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.